Yo, these are the bomb.
And they're air-popped, not fried.
Popcorners. You're an artist.
Actually, Jesse, it's just basic ingredients. No, we don't eat our own supply.
Mr. White.
Jesse.
Everyone's gonna want to taste. And I know just the guy to talk to.
What are these?
We call them popcorners.
Say their name.
Popcorners! Take! Yeah! How much of this stuff do you have?
We've got 6 signature flavors, yo.
7! You make 7!
7 works. Yeah. Popcorners. Break into something good.
We're gonna eat a lot of snacks together.